If you're a Muslim, you need to understand that the law of assumption actually came from the Quran. The law of assumption states that if you assume your desired reality to be already taken place, then just give it enough time in the 3D world, and then it's going to take place into the actual world. This is why Allah says that it took 6 days for the heavens and the earth to be created, even though Allah can say kun fayakun. Why did it take 6 days? Because the 3D world needs time. But Allah Himself can say kun fayakun. What does kun fayakun truly mean? Kun means to be, which means the very first process of creation is for you to be, not to do, not to have, but to be, which means if you're wanting to be rich internally first, then as a result on the outside world, give it enough time and you'll become rich. This is why Allah says that He will never change the condition of a nation until you change your nafs. The Quran is the book for the nafs, not to the body but to the nafs. And this is why Allah says, وَآتَاكُم مِّن كُلِّ مَا سَأَلْتُمُوهُ. If you're going to tell me, but I can't be rich right now, there's no proof for me to be rich right now, I tell you, Allah's already given you everything you desire, which means in imagination, you can access anything that you want in imagination. Not only that, on top of that, Allah says, وَسَخَّرَ لَكُم مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ. Everything within the universe is here for you. Everything in the universe, Allah made it for the purpose of serving you. So if you live like the world is all for you, and you live like the world is your living room, and you live like everything is here to serve you, as a result your inner state is going to reflect exactly that. And because this leads to your inner state living that abundance, as a result the outside world is going to start reflecting that abundance. And Allah already says, Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar, we've already given you abundance. So do you believe the words of Allah, or do you believe the words of the shaitan? Shaitan promises you poverty. Shaitan promises you to be living in scarcity. Those are the ideas of the shaitan. That's why Allah says, don't follow the footsteps of the shaitan. Now you're going to be telling me, but I don't follow the footsteps of the shaitan. I don't do zina. I don't smoke. I don't drink alcohol. And I tell you, this is not just the footsteps of the shaitan. The footsteps of the shaitan is you following his ideas, you believing in his promises. If you're living in a state of scarcity and you believe that life is scarce, that's literally you following the footsteps of the devil. Because Allah says that He promises you bounty, He promises you abundance, and when you live that abundance on the outside is going to start reflecting. That's why Allah says He did not send the Quran for you to have hardship. Actually, He sent the Quran for you to live in a state of ease and in a state of abundance in this life and the next. So anything that makes you feel small, anything that makes you feel like you're not worth it, is not from Allah. And anything that empowers you and gives you your power back is from Allah, because Allah says, وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ. Allah has honored the children of Adam. When you live with that assumption, like everything is made for you, like this universe, Allah made it friendly for you, the outer reality is going to be reflecting that. And the reason why 90% of people are struggling, even Muslims, is because they're not following that.